Guarantee Maid Services is taking action on the coronavirus. Hi, I'm Lauren Folks Adams. I'm the CEO of Guarantee Maid Services. So we are a residential and commercial cleaning company who have been around for 37 years now. For all of our customers, we are disinfecting all of their doorknobs, their light switches, telephones, keyboards, anything that is a high touch area, meaning fingertips are going to be on it all the time. We're disinfecting it. The difference between cleaning and disinfecting is cleaning is just sanitizing it, which means getting the surface dirt off, and disinfecting means you're saturating the item that you're cleaning and you're leaving it on for the kill time, which the kill time is usually anywhere from 4 to 10 minutes depending on the chemical. Guarantee Maid Services is requiring all of our employees to wear gloves whenever we come into your home. So we don't want to spread any of our germs along with you spreading your germs as well. So if any of our cleaners are not feeling well or their children are sick, we're asking them to stay home so we don't spread to each other or to our customers. As well as our customers, we're asking that if you're not feeling too hot or someone in your family's not feeling well, that you call us and let us know. Our goal is to give you your weekends back.